Well, good morning, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome, every one of you, to TrioTech software trainings. So, today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. I am Kumar. I am the founder director for TrioTech software trainings, and also I'm a lead trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications at TrioTech. So before starting today's demo or getting into the agenda for today's demo session, let me have an announcement to every one of you team. See, we kept everyone in the call today in mute. Probably some of you might be trying to unmute yourself, but system might not be allowing you. We kept everyone in mute in today's session because today in this demo we have participants joined from different backgrounds. I mean to say, we have participants who are recently college passed out freshers, probably in the month of April, May, who recently passed out from their colleges, looking for a good technology to start their career in IT and looking for a good institute or a trainer to learn this particular program and want to start their career in IT. And we have also the candidates who completed their studies, their graduations in the last 1 year or 2 years. They might having some career break of 1, 2 years after their education. They are looking for a serious opportunity in the market where they can learn a good technology to start their career. We have this kind of people in the call today. And also, we have people from different non-IT backgrounds. Prior to this, you are currently working in non-IT domains. You might be working as a HR recruiters, or you might be working as a talent acquisition specialist, or US staffing admins, or you might be working into sales, marketing, or investment banking, insurance domains, okay, or telecalling, okay, or you might be working in Google Maps or some other non-IT domains you people are working currently. Now you want to move to IT by learning one good technology that is of high demand and suitable to you. We have that kind of participants also in the call today. And we also have candidates who are already working in IT industry. Prior to this Oracle Fusion, you people might be working in different other technologies in IT industry. You might be working as a DevOps engineer or AWS specialist, or you might be working as a DBA admin, or you might be working in Salesforce, or you might be working in SAP, PeopleSoft, or Oracle EBS. Now you want to transition your career into this domain because you might not seeing the potentiality in the technology that you are currently working. Your technology might get saturated in the market. No phenomenal growth you noticed. Salary wise, no advancements you noticed in your current domains. Now you want to transition your career into IT with this Oracle HCM Cloud. So we have that kind of participants also in the call. And most importantly, people with long career breaks, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, some people, you might be working or you might be not working, you are into some family business or you might be in job trials for very long. So you have a huge career break in your current history. Now you want to start your career with one good technology in the market. We have that kind of people. And we have also women participants who got long career breaks after their maternity breaks or their marriages. Now you want to start your employment in IT industry. See, why I'm telling this is today in the session, whoever the participants attending, we have people from all these different backgrounds. So if I start taking any questions in between the session, your question might not be relevant to others because your background is different, the other participant background is different. If we start discussing about that, other participants will get carried away, they will get confused, they will get worried or tensed. That's the reason only for today, as it's a demo, we kept everyone in mute. But at the end of the session, we will have a detailed Q&A round where I'll be taking up the questions from you. So I request everyone for next 1 hour, please be on the mute and focus on the session. If any questions you have, please write it down. At the end of the class, I will discuss with every one of you. Okay. So I'm comfortable in taking the questions in Telugu also. If you want, we can discuss at the end of the session. But I can tell you one thing. Maximum 70 to 80% of your questions, what you have in mind at this point of time before the class now, at this point of time, whatever the questions that you have in mind, maximum questions with this session only I will be addressing to you. If you focus the session, if you understand the session what I am telling you for next 1 year, 70 to 80% of your questions what you have in mind will get addressed with this class only. On top of that, if you have any questions left, then at the end we will have a detailed Q&A round. So I request everyone, please focus for next 1 hour to understand maximum about this technology in the market. Why? Because team, I know prior to this demo session also, many of you who joined the class today interacted with me or with my counseling team in Hyderabad, or I'm having already this training experience because I started TrioTech in the year of 2015. In the last 11 years, I trained thousands of students in different technologies in TrioTech. So whenever they come to me, either they or their parents or whoever the caretakers, they come to me, the very common questions people will ask initially, Kumar, what is this technology is about? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, redwood+AI. What is this course is about? What is this technology is about? Who will use this in the market? What will be the career opportunities in this domain? Am I eligible to learn this program? Or Kumar, I don't know any coding related things. I don't know any basic SQL language, PLSQL language, Java, Python. These all things I'm not aware of. Okay. Okay. So so, can I learn this program or not? Okay. So, these sort of questions people will have. Or, Kumar, once we learn this program, in what sort of companies we will be recruited? What are the current salary ranges? Freshers, do we have calls? If yes, what packages companies offering? For experienced people, what packages? Any recession impact we have? Or everywhere today, people talking about AI. AI came, people losing the jobs. Do we have any impact of that in this domain? Or tell me, next 10, 15 years, where I can see myself in the IT industry once I learn this program today and if I join any company, what will be my career progress for next 10, 15 years? These are general questions people will have. And obviously, person to person, their background related questions. Some will have career, some will have non-IT experiences, some will work in some other domains. Are you eligible or not will be your questions. Whatever the questions I mentioned now, with this class, I will answer all these things to you. Okay, so again, I'm requesting to please be mute in the session for today so that we will focus and we will cover all the topics what I planned for today team. So this is the announcement for every one of you only for today. Okay. From tomorrow, classes will be starting. It will be opened only. You can discuss any doubts with me. That's not a problem. Right. Then, once again, a warm welcome every one of you to TrioTech software trainings. So why we joined the session today here? Today, I'm going to introduce to you, okay? Today, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job. Today, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge. What is that zero coding? Kumar, IT means we should know some languages, some coding, some scripting. No. This is something which is a very highlight point in this domain. This is completely zero coding application. There is no coding involved in this technology. So you no need to learn any C, C++, Java, Python, or SQL, PLSQL, JSON, XML, any of the languages you don't need to learn. There are no prerequisites to learn this program. So it's a completely zero coding application because many people in my personal experience, whenever they're interacting with me, the first worry that they used to tell me, Kumar, I'm not a technical guy. I don't know any sort of coding or any sort of languages. If someone teaches me also, I won't understand. That is not my cup of soup. Can you suggest me any good technology without that requirement in the market? Yes, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications are completely zero coding. This is already configured, developed, and delivered by Oracle in the market. So we never work on any development of the application to learn coding here. The application is already designed and delivered by Oracle in the market. We will be working on the configuration of the application team. As per the client requirement, client data we will configure in the system. So we no need to have any sort of coding prerequisite to learn this program team. And that too with the non-IT backgrounds. Here, you can come from any background. You no need to be from a BTech or MTech or MCA or BSc computers. Nothing. In your education, you might be from batch BA, BCom, BBA, BSc or MBA, MSc, any BTech, MTech. Generally, people will have a core misconception here. If I come from a BTech computer science background, then only companies will recruit me. Or if I come from MCA with a computer background, then only companies will recruit me. Those days are gone. Here, companies will not look at your educational degree, the relevant knowledge that you people have in this domain or not, the skill set you are mentioning in the resume, whether you are qualified to that or not, that only companies will see. I'm not passing this statement just like that. In my experience, many students of mine, and even today, many recruitment drives I will be personally conducting and participating because it's been 11 years we started this training institute. Okay. In this academy, whoever the people learned the technologies in the year of 2015, 16, 17, now today they are in very good positions in the industry. Some people are working in director level positions also. They will contact me. Kumar, we want a trained resource from our academy. So whenever we've been interacting with them, the HRs from different companies, they never mentioning anywhere candidate should come from a BTech background, candidate should come from a MCA background. No. Whether that person is a trained resource or not. Companies are not okay to recruit a basic fresher. College passed out, they don't want. They want someone who is having trained on this domain, having knowledge in this domain, then companies are ready to recruit you. So, team, this is something which is very interesting with Oracle technologies. We don't have any coding requirements, and with any non-IT backgrounds also, you can start your career absolutely in this technology. Now, Kumar, okay, what is this course name exactly? Somewhere I heard Fusion. Some are talking Oracle HCM. Some are telling Cloud HCM. What is that course exact name? The exact application name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means what? Human Capital Management Cloud. Basically, this is a HR related software application available in the market team. See, in any organization, currently people in the call today, you might be currently working in different companies. You might aware in every company team, in order to manage the employees working, there will be HR department. The HR department people will be handling all the employee management in the company, starting from their recruitment, their onboarding, their transfers, promotions, their absences, that is leaves every month, then salary processing, performance appraisal. In order to conduct all these day-to-day HR activities, every company in the market will use one or the other softwares related to HR. So this is something which is related to that HR domain. So this is a HR related software application in any company. In order to conduct the day-to-day HR activities, companies will be using. Now, immediately, some of you might get a question. Kumar, you are asking us to learn HR now? Okay. Generally, the salaries in the HR domain will be very less, no, Kumar. Okay, HR in the calls, please don't take it in a different negative way. It's fact. In the market, the HR domain people generally will not have that fascinating salaries. The life will be fascinating, but salaries wise will be not that compared to IT, right? Here, you are not going to work as a HR after this program. This is HR related software application, IT application. You will be working as a software engineers, consultants in this technology in software companies in the market. Never get confused here, because many people in my personal counseling sessions also, this question people used to ask me, Kumar, after this program, we will start as a recruiter in any company or HR administrator in any company. No, no. It's a HR domain related application. That's all. Okay. Redwood plus AI. What are these, Kumar? These are the latest concepts we have within the Fusion application team. Redwood is one of the latest advanced user interface in Fusion HCM. So your training also will be conducted based on that Redwood UI only. As of 2026, today is June 3rd, 2026, Wednesday. As of today, whatever the latest version of the application we have, your training will be conducted on that. And AI, within Fusion application, we have AI components also came in. How to use them, what are they? So we will be covering detailedly that also team. So this is our course, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. Okay. Now, before getting into the agenda for today's session, let me briefly introduce about myself. Okay. Many of you already know about me, who I am, what I am, my experiences, and my previous demos you might be gone through, or you might be seen me in YouTube or Instagram or different platforms or in colleges somewhere like that. But let me again introduce to you who I am, what experience I have in this particular domain. Okay. But before getting into that, one small announcement to every one of you again, team. Our admin team dropping a Google form link in your Zoom message bar. Whatever the meeting you join, if you could check out your chat button, you will getting a pop-up message there. Our admin team sharing the Google form link to you. I request everyone, please fill that Google form in order to share registration details or the program details to you. Please fill that form. When you are in the session only, you will be getting all the details to you in the WhatsApp, whatever the number you are submitting there. So I request everyone, please fill that Google form by taking 30 seconds of your time. After the session, we cannot able to connect back or we can't able to share any details about the program further if you are not filling the form. So please take 30 seconds of time, fill that Google form and then continue the class team. Okay. So admin team, please share the Google form in the chat button here. Thank you, Ahmed. Appreciating. So rest of the people also, please complete the Google form team. So just we've been dropping in the Zoom chat here. Okay, right. Now, let me introduce about myself. As I told you, I am Kumar. I am the founder director for TrioTech software trainings and also Triospace overseas consultancy. So at TrioTech, we train the students on different technologies in Oracle applications. We exclusively conduct trainings for Oracle products that to Fusion. Okay. And in Triospace Overseas, it's a educational consulting firm for the overseas education. Whoever the students after their graduations planning for their abroad studies, we've been supporting them for all their college admissions, visas, everything. So I'm a founder director for these two organizations and I'm having total 16 plus years of experience team. I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 16 plus years of experience in which 12 plus years into IT consulting. Okay, from last 12 plus years, I've been working in IT industry and total experience I have 16 plus years team. Coming to my projecting experience with this technology, I worked for close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects covering multiple legislations. The clients that I worked for, they're from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. So these are the countries where the clients that I worked for the projects team. So 14 plus complete end-to-end implementation and support projects I've been part of. Currently also, I've been supporting one of the global implementation from our own firm where client having presence in more than 40 plus countries. So we are going phase by phase implementation for them where I am leading a team of 25 members under me. So I'm working as a solution architect for that particular project where we've been working on the implementation of that client. And I'm also a corporate trainer, delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies team. Like in TrioTech, every month how we train students like you. We also deliver our trainings to several companies as well. Means in the market, whoever the companies using Oracle HCM Cloud applications in order to upskill their employees, they ask for the trainings. So we also do B2B business also, where we conduct corporate trainings as well, team. Some of our corporate training partners I will introduce to you in the next slide. And I am an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. So I worked for these firms prior to my own employment. Okay, my own business. And as I told you, I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist in this particular technology. I did my certification as well. And coming to TrioTech, as I told you, since 2015, we've been in this training industry. And this academy, we started in 2015 and we trained more than 20,000 plus individuals in different platforms. And we have successfully completed 1,000 plus batches across different technologies in the market team. And we have a team of 40 plus instructors along with me who working for TrioTech remotely or from office, who conducting several trainings to the candidates team. And some of our corporate training partners you can see. I conducted trainings for DHL. We all know, right? Courier service, DHL. So that to Malaysia. So I've been traveled over there for 2 times for conducting the trainings to their employees. Then we conducted training for Amway, Kuwait Finance House from Kuwait, and from United States American Express Bank for their employees we conducted. Then TPI Composites from US, then TrinoCAD from Singapore. So these are few of our corporate training partners. We conducted trainings for their employees in their offices. Some of them will be recruiting our candidates also for their company's team. So few of the training partners that we officially partnered with, we've been presenting to you for your reference team. So this is about TrioTech software trainings. Okay. And I can say that we are also world's largest learning community in YouTube. So we hit actually 200 plus subscribers in the YouTube. So you can even get our channel details team in the YouTube. So by name TrioTech Software Trainings. So huge content every single day we will be uploading. So people who learning this program for their placements point of view, see how to plan yourself after the course completion. Okay. Then what will be the roles and responsibilities in your project? So lots of content stream related to Oracle HCM Cloud, then related to the placement preparation, interview questions. You can see a lot of content in our YouTube channel team and also in our Instagram channel also you can find out. So you can find all the tips related to your interviews, placement success stories in TrioTech, everything you can find here. And you can also see our team who operating from Hyderabad office, where these all are my team members. So this is about basic intro about myself and about TrioTech software trainings. I'll talk about the placement success stories in the last. Okay. And we've been also officially partnered with couple of colleges in order to conduct trainings to them, where we partnered with VVIT University, where we conducted trainings over there for their final year students. Recently, campus drive happened over there. Many of you know, right? LTI Mindtree, a company by name, which is a very MNC, very good company in the market. LTI Mindtree recruited candidates from this college. For attending the interviews, we conducted training for them. 14 members as a freshers with 11 lakhs package, LTI Mindtree recruited them. So we've been into several domains. We conduct regular trainings in TrioTech. We do trainings in corporate companies and we do trainings in colleges team. So with all network of companies, HRs, the recruitments, every month from our training institute also, we will be referring the candidates after conducting the demos to the companies for placements. I will talk about them at the last when it comes to the placement related activities, how it will work in TrioTech. Okay. These all are something for your introduction about TrioTech, who I am, what accreditation or what I'd say kinds of services that we've been providing in the market to show you. I've been just going through these components thing, right? Now let me go to the agenda for today's session. Okay, what we are going to discuss in today's session. Today, first I will start with introduction to ERP because this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications are part of ERP family. First, I will introduce to you what is ERP, what they will do in the companies. And then I will introduce to you what is Oracle Fusion application and its evolution overview. Means when Oracle launched these applications in the market, okay, the background, history of the applications we will talk about team. Then I will introduce to you types of companies involved in this domain. It's a very, very important thing every one of you at this point of time should be aware of because every time, whenever you've been discussing with your friends, colleagues, or your family members who already working in IT, frequently you will be listening a word client, client, client. Hey, my client is that, my client is this, my client is very easy to handle, my client is very tough. Client, 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 every time you will listen the word. So here I will introduce to you what sort of companies involved in the usability of this technology. Client means who, customer means who, implementation company means who, vendor means who. Once you learn this program, in what sort of companies in the market you will be recruited, that all I will tell you here. Very important point this is, team. Then I will talk about Fusion environment release. Means when Oracle introduced Fusion applications in the market, what is the version they came up with? Now today we are in 2026 June 3rd. As of today, what is the latest version of the application? Oracle basically follows quarterly upgradation policy team. So how that release versions will happen, that all we will talk here. And then I'll introduce to you modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. This is also very important. Here many people will be having a confusion. For example, some of your friend referred TrioTech or learned this technology from Kumar. That is good. Something you got came to know and you reached out for today's demo. Some people might be coming up from some friend reference or from family references or something like that. So during that time, they will tell you learn functional from Kumar, learn technical from Kumar, or learn techno-functional from TrioTech. You might be hearing this right already, functional, technical. So here I'm going to ice break you on that. What is functional in this application? What is technical? What you have to learn at this point of time to get a job in the market with a good package? What are the total modules we have in this domain? We will see, team. And then the most important thing, career opportunities in this technology. At this point of time in 2026, in spite of the volatility in the market in IT, recessions, some war happening, lot of how to say inconsistency in all the businesses, lot of volatility in the businesses. Many were hearing the layoffs or recessions. What could be our career opportunities in this domain? That all factors we will discuss here, team. And the salaries part, what kind of roles, designations you will be recruited for, why you should learn Oracle HCM Cloud today, that all we will discuss here, team. And then I will introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository. We will be sharing you all the materials for this program. No doubt about that. What are they also I will introduce to you in next couple of minutes. But how to access Oracle standard documentation from internet that I will tell you. And I will also talk about Oracle certification process. Many people will ask me, even yesterday also, few of the students been asking to our admin team, what is certification concept in Oracle HCM Cloud? Do we have to do or not? What is the importance of that? That all I will talk here, team. And finally, the most important thing again, why TrioTech and why Kumar as your trainer for this program? Why not others? Let us talk about this team. Here I am going to tell you the course details, the program features, timetable. From tomorrow, we are starting the regular classes team. Weekly, how many days we will be having, what sort of services from TrioTech you will get in this program. And also, you people have an early bird discount on this training program. So what is the fee? What additional benefits worth of 17,000 you will be getting in this program? That all I will explain you at the last. Okay. So this is the agenda for today's demo team. So I request everyone, today session might slightly extend for more 15-20 minutes because already I started the session late because few people joined lately to class. Even now I'm seeing some of the people joining in the call today. It's a demo, I understand. But from tomorrow, strictly 1 hour, 8 to 9. I also request everyone, please make yourself available. Please wake up. By sharp 8 a.m., you join the meeting so that by 9 I can complete. If anyone having offices or anything that you have to go or travel, you can go on time. Today, please adjust for slight extension of the class. For 15-20 minutes, we are going to extend, right? Now sit, relax, focus on the things, right? Introduction to ERP. What is ERP team? And much before to that, you can please go through this particular slide. Generally, people have the very first question, am I eligible to learn this course or not? If you fall in any of these criteria, definitely you are eligible to learn. From whom this course is for? First thing, no prerequisites to learn HCM. As I told you, this is completely zero coding application in the market. We no need to learn any prior languages to learn this program. If you are in your final year of degree, you want to start a good technology in the market and you want to start your job in an IT company, you are eligible to learn. If you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, which technology to choose, you can absolutely choose this course as your career. You are eligible to learn. Or if you want to get a high paying job, moving out of a current unstable non-IT jobs, from non-IT to IT, if you want to start your career, then you are eligible to learn. If you are targeting for a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years, not today, next 4 to 5 years, because in this technology, in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, people with 5 to 6 years of experiences or 4 to 6 years of experiences, companies offering this level of packages team between 25 to 45 and more than that also people being offered. But you should also equally performable, knowledgeable in this technology. So if you are targeting for a package of this range in next 4 to 5 years, then definitely you should learn this program. Ultimately, a simple statement I will pass here. People from any degree, any background can learn this program team. So if you fall in any of these criteria, your question is answered, whether you can learn this program or not, right? Then let me go to the very first topic, introduction to ERP. So what is this concept of ERP team? Basically, our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications comes under ERP family. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically, team, it's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, reporting, manufacturing, and human resource activity. Let me tell you with an example. You take any company that you know, Tata Group you take, Reliance Industries you take, L&T, Apple, Amazon, Google, Flipkart, anything. You take an example team. In every organization, there will be different business processes involved. In every company, there will be a HR department or a HR wing who will take care of all employee management in that company. And in every organization, there will be finance department as well, who will take care of all financials related activities of the company. If it is a manufacturing firm, supply chain department, procurement department, operations department, sales department, in every company, if a company is operating means different business activities together is a company. In every organization, different business activities or verticals will be there. In order to conduct all these activities, every company requires a modular tech-based software application. Okay. For example, let us stick to human resources because our technology, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, is that related thing. See, in any company, what HR department people will do, they are responsible for recruiting the employees in the company, onboarding them, their transfers, promotions, their maintenance in the company, their leave handling, their salary processings every month, their tax filings every month, their performance appraisals. From hire to retire, in every company, HR department will take care team. In order to conduct the day-to-day HR activities, every company requires a tech-based modular software applications. You can ask me, Kumar, prior to this IT industry, 40 years back, 50 years back, how businesses are happened? Manual. Before IT, everything is manual, no? For example, in a company, 200 employees are working means they used to write down, book 200 people names, every day absence present. Then they used to give salary through cash and they used to write in the accounts book, for this employee we paid this much. These days holiday, we have to deduct that and we have paid this. But today it's not like that, right? With the technology intervention in the market, with the IT rapid advancement in the market, there are many software applications came. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Basically, in any organization, in order to conduct the day-to-day HR activities, this Oracle HCM Cloud applications will be used. Okay. ERP means it's a category, it's a family. Under that ERP category, we have different products offered by different companies team. For your reference, I kept few of the other ERPs in the market like Oracle Fusion HCM, SAP SuccessFactors we have, Salesforce HRMS we have, Blackboard, Northgate, Pegasus, our very well-known Indian ERP famous in very recently Zoho. These all are ERP applications team. All are business suits. Particularly here from Oracle, we are learning about Oracle HCM cloud applications. So this is about ERP team. So what is Oracle HCM cloud? By looking at this slide, you can understand. These all are the HR activities in the company. Attracting the talent, hiring them, onboarding them, setting the goals, conducting the performance, compensation, then their leave handling, then their talent reviews, their attendance tracking, their payrolls, their retirements. Hire to retire cycle, this is in the HR business area team. So in order to perform all these activities, this Oracle HCM Cloud software or application companies will be using, right? So this is about team. What is ERP and what is Oracle HCM Cloud application? Okay. Okay. What is a question, Ravindra? You could teach each and everything in upcoming class. I didn't get your question. Can you please unmute and can you let me know what is that? Ravindra Reddy. Each and everything in upcoming means you are talking about the modules you are asking. Are you there, Ravindra? Hello? Well, okay then. Let me continue because you posted something to me. No problem. Right. Anything will be covered, Ravindra. No problem. Okay. So, in order to conduct all these HR activities, this technology will be used. Now, let us talk about fusion evolution path. This is also very important knowledge point of view. Everyone should be knowing. What is this, Kumar? Fusion evolution path. Nowhere it will be covered, team. But definitely this should be known to everyone whenever you're learning this program. See, when Oracle launched these applications in the market, right? Prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the applications we have available in the market? Let us go back to the history story. See, prior to 2006, prior to 2006, all these are different individual ERP products available in the market. Oracle's own product was e-business suite. Oracle EBS, Oracle's own ERP product. PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards and JD Edwards World, they are owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel owned by Siebel entity. All these are different individual ERP products available in the market prior to 2006. But the problem at that point of time was none of the applications were matured, consistent, or good enough in all the business areas. For example, you take Oracle e-business suite, Oracle's own ERP application. Oracle e-business suite is very good at financials business area, but not into HRMS or not into procurement or supply chain or CRM. PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our area, human capital area, human resource management team. But PeopleSoft is not very mature or very stable in other verticals like finance, supply chain, or CRM. JD Edwards, very good at procurement and financials. Siebel, very good at CRM. Hyperion, very good at reporting. None of the applications at that point of time very good, very matured in all the business areas team. What Oracle did, Oracle identified that gap in the market. Like many companies are suffering because we don't have one common application which is matured and which is very good at all the business functionalities. So in the year 2006, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition acquired all these products in the market. The best of the best products during that time, Oracle acquired them. They have their own e-business suite. Anyhow, Oracle purchased PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft. Oracle bought JD Edwards. Oracle bought Siebel. With 18 billion, world's biggest acquisition happened in the year of 2006. Oracle acquired all these companies. And what Oracle did, team, they have taken the knowledge from these applications, from e-business suite financials knowledge, from PeopleSoft HRMS knowledge, from JD Edwards procurement knowledge, from Siebel CRM knowledge. Oracle taken the best of the best backend knowledges or technologies from these applications, and Oracle built a new age futuristic applications called Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these products in the market. In the year 2011, officially Oracle announced that they are coming up with a new age software ERP, that is Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. Now, immediately people will get a question in the call today. Kumar, we are in 2026. You are telling Fusion applications introduced in the market in 2011, almost 15 plus years. You are asking us to learn this program today. Are they not old applications? Never. In 2011, Oracle announced to the world that they are coming up with a new application called Oracle Fusion Cloud. So they came up with a release beta version team, a testing version. The actual Fusion application penetration in the market started from 2016, 2017 onwards. 2016, 2017 onwards, the actual market started for Fusion, right? And moreover, Kumar, why should I learn Oracle? Why not other applications, Kumar? Some people will have this question in mind. Why not SAP? Why not Workday? Why not EBS or some other PeopleSoft? Why I should learn? See, the best advantage with Oracle. SAP, it's been in the market from last 45 to 50 years already. Somewhere in 1980s, they introduced the application. So it's good. I'm not telling SAP is bad, but there are a lot of consultants, lot of people who working in SAP are there in the market team. And moreover, SAP became saturated in the market because since very long time it's been in the market for 45 plus years. There are many resources who are already working in SAP is available in the market. So companies are not recruiting with a phenomenal hikes in SAP domains. But whereas Oracle Fusion, it came up on a cloud-based technology, which is a latest technology. And that too, the biggest advantage of Oracle is already all the existing customers who using these products, Oracle insisting them to migrate to Fusion. Whoever their e-business suite customers are there, PeopleSoft customers are there, JD Edwards customers are there, Siebel customers are there. Oracle insisting them to migrate to Fusion because probably in the next 5-10 years they are going to stop the support. First they given deadline till 2020, then they extended to 2030. But no new sellings of these products happening in the market. Only customers who using support Oracle giving, but that also Oracle giving the deadlines. So all the customers are migrating to Fusion. The biggest advantage with Oracle is this only team. As huge customer base already Oracle having, all of them are upgrading to Oracle Fusion. That's the reason from last 2-3 years, we've seen a sudden spike in the Oracle Fusion applications market. And also I will show you as per the research papers, okay, Oracle is the top ERP in the market consecutively from last 3 years. Oracle crossed SAP, Workday, everything, even Microsoft Dynamics, and Oracle stood top in the entire world in terms of customer adoption in the market. So phenomenally, companies migrating to Oracle Fusion because it's more economical pricing wise and it's more customized and it's more easy to handle application. Unlike SAP or Workday or other programs, Oracle is not that complex. So many companies showing interest to this technology and they're using in their in-house HR operations. That is the thing, a huge vacuum created in the market today. Companies migrated to Fusion. They're using the application, but the candidates who working on that technology is not up to the demand as of now. Whatever the demand in the market, but the consultants who working in this domain, lot of difference in the graph we have. That is the reason companies rapidly recruiting the candidates in this technology. Fresher, okay, chalo. If you're a trained fresher, I'm ready to recruit you. 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, people been recruiting in this domain. Moreover, packages, if you see also, phenomenal hikes, 100%, 120% hikes also companies giving. There is a live testimonial which we uploaded in our social media platforms. You can go through team in our YouTube or Instagram. 200% hike this person got, Praveen in Accenture. Accenture given from 3.98 current salary to 12 LPA he got. So if you have time, please go through that, what to say, posting that what we have made in our social media. So this is something which is happening in the market team. So why Oracle Fusion is more demanded compared to other ERPs is this one. Already their existing customer base, they're migrating to Fusion, they're adopting to Fusion, and parallelly Oracle hitting new customers also with their pricings, with their customizing scope, everything. So this is about team Fusion evolution path. Then let us talk about the Fusion applications product portfolio. See, I told you, we are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. But under Fusion, Oracle offering multiple products in the market team. We have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud. This will handle finance related activities team. Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Cloud SCM. Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Procurement Cloud, PPM Cloud. These are the different products Oracle offering in the market. We are learning one of them, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Here also some of the participants will confuse. Kumar, should I learn HCM and finance also? Or Kumar, should I learn HCM, supply chain and CRM, all three? No, don't do that mistake, team. Anyone will start their career and end their career with one application only. Okay, HCM you are learning. That's all. Supply chain is a different profile. Finance is a different profile. Okay. And one more question people will have. Kumar, I came from a finance background. Can I learn this? Or Kumar, 10 years back, I learned, I came from MBA finance or some financial background. Can I learn finance today? See, you can learn. It's your choice. But as a trainer, if you ask me, we conduct trainings on all these platforms. But as a trainer, if you ask me, team, Oracle, in every technology, one product will become very popular, very successful. For example, you take cars or bikes, anything team. If you take Hyundai company, there will be one model which will be more successful. In Hyundai, you have 10, 15 cars, i10, i20, you have Alcazar, you have Creta, you have many cars in Hyundai. But Creta became more popular among the segment in everything, right? It might be a bike, it might be a car, it might be a AC, or it might be a refrigerator. One model will become very popular, right? In Oracle Fusion applications also, HCM is that popular, highly successful technology. Every client today using Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, if they're planning to go with Oracle Fusion, after HCM only, financials or supply chain or CRM will come. And moreover, from learning point of view also, HCM is something which everyone can easily understand and adopt. So from learning point of view, it will be convenient to you. From recruitment point of view, it will be convenient to you. And packages wise, if you see also in HCM, we've been seeing phenomenal packages. So with comparing all these things, HCM will always be the best choice. After that only we will be suggesting if anyone want to go for financial, because some people will have core interest in finance, their blood is with accounts. Obviously I don't push them. If you want, then go with finance. But Always this should be your priority. Okay. This is about Fusion Applications product portfolio team. Next, we will talk about types of companies involved. This is also very important. Okay. So as I told you team, today slightly will be extending for more 15-20 minutes. Please be on the call. At the end, I will explain you all the program details and all team. So types of companies involved. What is this types of companies involved team? Three types of companies involved in any software application usability in the market. Service provider, client or the customer, consulting company. Let's say service provider you see. Service provider means company who selling the product in the market. Okay. Company who selling the product in the market. So our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is owned by Oracle Corporation team. It's their product. We call that as service provider company or the vendor company. So Oracle selling the product in the market. Client or the customer. Now let us understand. Client means who? Company who purchasing the product from Oracle in order to use in their day-to-day business activities. For example, you take Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T. Reliance, we are very familiar, an Indian MNC. Let us take this team. Today, Reliance decided they want to buy Oracle HCM Cloud applications in order to use in their day-to-day HR activities team. So Reliance is called as a client or customer company. Reliance will reach to Oracle. Oracle will give the price for their product. Reliance will purchase the product from Oracle. Transaction done. Now Reliance got application from Oracle. Now the main question comes in. Reliance, when they purchase the product from Oracle, application will come with all functionalities within that. But Reliance want someone to configure the application according to their requirement. Reliance is not an IT company. So Reliance, in order to use that application in their day-to-day activities, Reliance requires someone help. So what the client companies will do, they will reach out to consulting companies in the market, so-called software companies. Companies who implementing the product according to the client requirement. Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Capgemini, so-called software companies. For example, today Reliance reached to Deloitte and they given their project to Deloitte. So Deloitte will be configuring the application with their data according to their requirement and they will give to Reliance. Reliance will use that application in their day-to-day activities. This is what happened in the business world team. Okay. This is how, okay. Okay. This is how the business will happen. So this is my previous slide. Okay, Shraddha. So you can go through that slide once again. Okay. Right. Okay. So types of companies means this one team. So once you learn this program, you will be hired in these software companies in this domain of Oracle HCM Cloud as a software engineers or consultants team. So when your company gets the project, you will be deployed for the client project and you people will be working for them. To make you understand, I taken Reliance, Deloitte, these as example. But in the entire IT world, any software application you take, the relation will be among these three companies team. Service provider sold the product. Now the customer or the client, they require someone to configure the system according to their requirement so they can use it. So they will give the project to IT companies in the market. So we will be hired and working in these so-called IT companies in the market team. Now let us move to Fusion Applications environment release. Okay, let me talk about that. I told you in the year 2011, Oracle introduced the Fusion applications into the open world, correct? So when Fusion application started in 2011, Oracle came up with a version called R1. What is that team? This is very, very important. Nowhere you will get this knowledge team. Very required thing for everyone. What is that? In the year 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion application, they came up with a version called R1. Like every other software in our mobile also, Android or iOS team, we have software versions, right? iOS 17 to iOS 18, iOS 18 to iOS 19, software will upgrade. Even our Windows laptop, if you see, Windows 7 to Windows 8, Windows 8 to Windows 9, Windows 10, Windows 11, over the span, softwares will upgrade. Fusion applications also, when they launched in the market way back, R1 they came up with. Since then, it got evolved. Now, the latest version of the Fusion applications is R13. R13. Actually, by 2017 end and early 2018 only, Oracle application came to R13. But since then, Oracle made this version as static in the market team. So they are not changing. Now the Fusion HCM Cloud applications are in R13. So people who purchased Fusion applications during R1 to R10, during this period of time, Oracle offered their applications both in on-premises and cloud deployment options team. But from release 11, 12, 13 onwards, Oracle stopped on-premise. Now the Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based domain only. On-premises means what team? Whenever any company buying the product from Oracle, they can also buy the server from Oracle, install that server in their office premises, install that application in the server. They used to maintain everything. They used to recruit the team of database administrator, network specialists, data engineers, data analysts, right? Then maintenance specialist. Everything clients used to maintain team. But from release 11 onwards, Oracle stopped on-premise model. Completely on a cloud-based model only, Oracle Fusion applications are provided to the customers. Means what, Kumar? Cloud means? Cloud means a software that is hosted over the internet. You no need to maintain any server. You no need to maintain any data center. You no need to maintain any upgrading, maintenance, security, nothing. Everything Oracle will maintain. Customer will pay the fee. Oracle will give the product. They can use it in their day-to-day activities. A software that is hosted over the internet, just like this team. This is our Fusion application link. Just you go to internet, any browser, Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer. Just you require a good laptop with good internet connection. Just copy paste that URL here. Okay. Enter. Now see. Now see. System taking me to the sign in screen. System taking me to sign in screen. Okay. So here they're asking me, what is that team? Oracle Cloud sign in. So with the user ID and password of my account, if I give and if I click on sign in team, I'll be entering into the Fusion application. Now see, this is going to be our Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Now we've been landing upon, this is the main home screen. This is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. Did I install any software in my laptop? Did I run any program in my laptop? Nothing. Just I opened Google Chrome. I copy pasted my URL, user ID, password I given, like my Facebook account, like my Instagram account or my LinkedIn account, right? So this is what cloud-based team. This application is hosted over the internet, the data center, server, everything Oracle will maintain team. So this is our cloud applications. In tomorrow's session, I will introduce to you all the basic home screen functionalities, how to log in, this user accounts, how it will come. Step by step, we will go later on team. Okay. So release 1 to release 10, whoever the people purchase it during this time, Oracle provided both on-premise and cloud options team. Now there is no on-premise, completely cloud. And Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy team. Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy for their application. Means what, Kumar? every year, every year, four times, Oracle will upgrade their application. Like as I told you, how our mobile software's been upgrading from one version to another version. Yearly four times. Oracle categorized entire year into 4 quarters like A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. First quarter, Jan to March. Okay. Jan to March, January, February, March. 3 months is a quarter in financial terminology. Then April, May, June is 1 quarter. Okay. Then July, August, September is 1 quarter. Then October, November, December is 1 quarter team. So Oracle segregated entire year into 4 quarters and they named like A, B, C, D. A means first quarter, B means second quarter, C means third, fourth, D means fourth quarter. And every year, four times Oracle will upgrade the application. What Kumar Oracle will do during this time? Every time, whenever they are upgrading, some new enhancements within the system Oracle will bring in. Phenomenally, we can't expect the changes. All way around, functionality removing, adding nothing. Incremental changes. Because Oracle investing a lot in their research and development in order to be more competitive in the market, in order to be top of the top. That is the success of Oracle today. Why they are top ERPs in the market means for this only. Oracle investing a lot in research and development to give a more robust, sophisticated application experience to their customers. Every 3 months, Oracle will try to improve their application performance wise, functionalities wise, some basic new cosmetic wise home screen functionalities Oracle will enhance, right? This activity and any bug fixes in the previous quarter, if any bugs noticed in the system, errors or anything because of backend configurations happening, that fixes that all Oracle will bring in the upgrade team. For that, Oracle going up with this pattern. For example, if I go to the application, let us see what is the latest version of the application today. So generally after we log in, if you come to the right side, settings and action here, and if you go to about this application, you can see what is the version of the application team. See, 26B, some code is coming here. Kumar, you told R13, no? Release 13, no? Yes, it's release 13 only. See, Oracle Application Development Framework REL13, middleware REL13, database compatibility REL13. Now, as of today, June 3rd, Wednesday 2026, 9:19 a.m., as of today, Fusion application version is R1326B release. What is that team? It's R1326B. Shall we decode this? What is this? Oracle will follow like this team every year. Now 26B means we are in this quarter, right? In the year April, May, June. We are in the June month, second quarter. So the numbering Oracle will give us 26B. Next, in your course timing only. Next month we are entering July. Next month, the upgrade Oracle will bring and it will give the name as 26C for next quarterly upgrade. You people are going to experience this. Then last quarter, it will give 26D. First quarter, 26A. 26 means the financial year we are in, 2026. Which quarterly upgrade that will designate that team. Now we are in 2026B quarter release, 26B release team. Next year, it will give like 27A, 27B, 27C, 27D. Every year for 4 quarterly upgrades, the versioning pattern Oracle will follow like that. Now we are in with this version team 26B. Okay. Kumar, what is this 11.13.26.04? 11 stands for the year Oracle launched the applications 2011. 13 stands for the release version R13. 26 stands for the financial year 2026. 4 stands for we are in 26B upgrade now. 26B means second quarter. In second quarter, first month is what? April. April means fourth month, 04. Now I will give you next quarterly upgrade version. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Next month, you verify it. Next, in July month, we are going to get third quarterly upgrade of the year, 26C. At that point of time, team, the versioning will be 26C, 11.13.26. In third quarter, first month is July. July means seventh month in the year, 07. 0 is static everywhere. This is the versioning. See, nowhere you will get this information, team. These are very basics when you are going to start the training, you should be aware of. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade the application. For this matter, Oracle will release the document in upper time only. Means what, team? Now next release is 26C. By this time, Oracle will release the document into the market. In this upgrade, in this module, these features we are bringing in, these features we are removing. Like that, Oracle will give release documents team. When we come to this Oracle knowledge repository, I will show you. Okay, most probably if time permits, today only I will cover it. If not, in tomorrow session, I will tell you. So where you can access the impact release notes in the system, that all I will tell you, team. And also during your projects, when you working in the real time, we have to do certain activities during the upgradation every month, team. Okay. Okay. What is that? What is that? Every 3 months, when Oracle upgrading the application, we in the projects have to do certain activities, team. We call them as regression testings, impact analysis testing. Means Oracle will give you a particular date. Hey, in this weekend, we are upgrading the application. So prior to upgrade, we will do some testings in the system. We will verify whether they're working fine or not. After upgrade, we will do the testings again in the system and we will verify before and after whether application is working fine or any bugs, errors are coming up. They are too early, team. So whenever I'm going to conduct the project implementation workshops, there will be sessions to you where I will be conducting real-time project workshops to you, because I know many of you will be showcasing some experiences in this domain and you will apply for the jobs. 3 years, 4 years, relevant experiences. You people don't know how in the real-time project implementation will happen. To give you that realistic experience, team, this workshop sessions we will be conducting means if you are really working in a project, how the things will happen every day. There are different phases, team. First, I will tell you different types of projects. Implementation project means what, support project means what, testing means what, then different teams who will work, project manager means what, how many people in your team will be, what will be the time of the project, how many people will work from client location in on-site, how many people will work in offshore, right? every day how we will communicate with the client through email, through Zoom meetings, or through web conferences, right? And Oracle implementation methodology from project management plan, kickoff meeting, as you study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2 till go live. And in each phase, what documents we will prepare. RD50 means what? BP80 means what? Solution design means what? Then test scripts means what? User manuals means what? BR100 means what? This is something, it's going to be a game changer for you during your placement preparation. When we complete our training, almost 90% of the training completes. Last month, when we are about to start our placement activities, this workshops will be conducted to you. In this workshop, you will get a real experience. If you are really handling the project in the real time, what activities, with what all people you will work, what all teams will work with you, everything will be covered. Because in the interviews, whenever you attending team, the most common questions you will experience initially, like, tell me about your project, or what are your day-to-day responsibilities in the project. Acha, tell me what is the most difficult thing that you faced in the recent times in the project, or what is your team size in the project, or can you tell me average how many tickets that you will be receiving in your support project. Who knows? We didn't work on we didn't work on these things. How can you answer? That is why nowhere this all will be covered. Training everyone will give, okay, but getting into this realistic training is something matters in TrioTech, okay. Though you are showcasing any experiences in this domain, if these type of questions being answered asked to you in the interview, you should be ready with a story to answer them. For that, these sessions we will be conducting. So in support project, what you will do? Ticket means what? Within how much time we have to reply to the customer? What are the different ticketing tools we have in the market? How customer will call you every day? Everything we are going to cover. During this time, I'll be covering in depth about this activity. We call it as pre-upgrade, post-upgrade, regression testing, sanitary checks and all. So that I will tell you. But at this initial point of time, you be clear that Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy, and the versioning every quarter, Oracle will give the names like this in the system, right? Now, let us talk about the most important thing. What is that? Modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Many people will have this confusion in mind. Kumar, what I should learn, Kumar, in HCM? Even I've been receiving some calls from the candidates in my experiences. They might be trained somewhere else, but they might be requiring some assistance in point of placements or something. The common question people ask me, Kumar, which modules we have to focus more? At this point of time, what is having high demand? What we have to keep in the resume? First of all, there is one session team very recently uploaded in the YouTube. If you go to our TrioTech channel, there is one session, how to plan yourself after completing the course. In this also I explained you what is the plan you have to be preparing, the roadmap after the training to prepare yourself for the interview. You can even find in this also, but let me tell you here, team. First of all, let me tell you what are the modules we cover in this program. And here, the most common question people will have about functional and technical. What comes under functional? What comes under technical? Let me list out, team. What are the modules we have in Fusion application? We have modules like core HR, core HR, or global HR team. Then we have something like absence management. Then we have something like payroll management is one module. Then we have talent management, one module. In that we have sub modules like profiles, talent review, goal management, performance management, succession management, like that. Then we have compensation and benefits. Then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. We have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. We have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have HCM, Communicate or Help Desk and Safety. We have a couple of advanced modules. No one will use in the market much these things, team. But let me list out everything now for you. These are the total modules we have in Oracle HCM Cloud application. Okay. Now, a part of these modules, we also have some other components in the system. They are security administration. Okay. And then we have workflows and approvals. Then we have customization and personalizations. Okay. Here we have team couple of components like Sandbox, HCM Design Studio. For our classic and responsive pages, we have this. Then if it is a Redwood, then we have Visual Builder Studio. Okay. Visual Builder Studio. These components we have here, team. Okay. Then we have inbound integration, where here we have HCM data loader, HDL or HSDL, spreadsheet data loader. Then we have outbound integrations, where we have the reports like BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. Three reporting tools we have in the system. HCM extracts like that. Then we have the most important fast formulas, and my what to say favorite component in the entire system, fast formulas team. Okay, so these are the entire components in the system we have. Now let us bifurcate technical and functional in the system team. Now let us bifurcate technical and functional. All the modules in the Fusion system, we call them as functional. Functional. This is functional team. Okay. And these components comes under technical. So what is functional? What is technical? Be clear with this team. All modules in the system, we call it as functional. These components, we call it as a technical. But if you ask me, security, workflows, customization, these three things, even fast formulas also, I will tell that they are part of functional only. Even Oracle telling that, but many training academies in the market, okay, in order to conduct the training separately, functional separate, technical separate, because in Fusion system, core technical are only these two, inbound and outbound integrations team. Just only these two only core technical components, nothing much. Only these two, they cannot conduct a training classes because they should have a curriculum of at least 45 days or 1 month for conducting a program. So these components also people covering in technical as part of training. But if you ask me personally, these components also, I will tell they are functional only. But even what should I do? Market is like that. We have to go with the market. We also segregated them under technical. But generally speaking, these are also part of functional only. In Fusion system, unlike e-business suite of Oracle, technicality is very less in Fusion applications team. Oracle e-business suite is there prior to Fusion. There, without a technical consultant, functional person cannot work in the project. Lot of technical dependency is there. But Fusion is ready to use pre-built application team. Technical scope is very minimal. Only in this data loaders and reporting tools we have technical. Remaining all functional people can handle team. Now what are these, Kumar? In core HR or global HR module, we will configure all our clients' organizations, in what all countries our client having the companies, their operational units, their departments. entire employee management from hire to retire, hiring the employee, their transfers, promotions, their resignations, everything will handle in core HR module. Then we have absence module. It's a leave management module. In every company, different types of leaves employees will be provided with. So in this module, we are going to see that leave configurations and all. Then payroll module, we have team. Salary management. For every employee, every month, company have to pay salary. In this module, we will cover that salary related components and all. As it's a demo, I'm just walking through. But when we come to the training starting from tomorrow, we have the training curriculum in global HR, what we will do, all configurations. In absence module, very detailed implementation of the module. Then payroll module, the detailed implementation of the payroll module will be covered team. Okay. So in talent module, performance appraisals. In every company, companies will do performance appraisals every year. Based on that, employee promotion, demotion will be given. So in talent module, we will see that. Then compensation and benefits. Actually, these two are two different modules, but we call them together. Compensation means on top of salary, if anything company want to pay to employee, like overtime, like bonus, any shares that company want to allocate to employees, additional payments on top of regular salary, compensation module we have. Then benefits we have. In some countries like US team, people will be enrolling with some insurance plans. Every month company will deduct from employee salary and they will pay to medical insurance agencies and all. That we will handle in benefits module team. Then OTL module we have, time and labor module. Employee time attendance recording. Like whenever you enter an office, biometrics are there, attendance recording, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out. So employee uh, attendance will be handled in OTL module. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Here, companies will get learning portals within the Fusion system. If they want to conduct any trainings to their employees internally, they can create courses, they can share the video lectures, they can conduct the exams. For talent and development departments in the company's team, in order to conduct the trainings internally for their employees, they require some platforms. OLC module is that team. Then ORC we have Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Generally, in every company, recruitments, how it will start team. HRs will post the requirements in Naukri, LinkedIn, different job portals. They download the resumes. They will conduct the interviews. They will release the offer letters. They will onboard the employee. These all things in HCM tool will happen in ORC module, Oracle Recruiting Cloud module. Then HCM Communicate Help Desk. These are internal ticketing tool concept team. Communication setup among all the employees if client want to set up like any chat application like that team. Communicate means like that. Then if you come to security, here we will be handling with the user accounts creation part. Now, in order to log in into the Fusion system asked me our account details team, user ID and password. So in security module, all that user accounts creation, access related management, that all will be handled. We have workflows and approvals. In every module, several transactions when happening in the system between HR and employee, we can trigger it for an approval. Let's say client asking you in the absence module, Kumar, whenever any employee apply the leave, it should go for manager approval, Kumar. Or in core HR module, Kumar, whenever HR hiring any new employee in the system, it should go for manager approval, Kumar. So we have a module for that, workflows and approvals. Then we have customization and personalization. Let's say client want to customize the application theme. This blue color they don't want, they want entire background to be in white. Here the logo, they should seeing their company logo, or these icons they want to change, or they want to rename something here. This particular my client groups, they want to rename with some other name. Or within any screen, if they want to customize the screens, we have a module called customization and personalization team. Generally, within the Fusion system, we have different user interfaces. I told you right here, our training will be on the latest Redwood UI. This is the latest advanced user interface. Prior to Redwood, we have classic and responsive. What are they? What is Redwood? What is classic? What is responsive? We have separate classes for that. When we come, we will understand. But generally, the old classic or responsive screens in the Fusion system, we can customize through these tools. But the Redwood screens, the Redwood UI, the latest UI screens, if you want to customize theme, Oracle given a PaaS application called Visual Builder Studio. So we have that component available to customize. Then we have inbound integrations team, bulk data uploading tools. When we are in the project implementation, for example, Reliance given you project. Prior to Oracle, Reliance using SAP or PeopleSoft, and they have 20,000 employees working in their company. Their data is there in their old system. We have to migrate that old data to Fusion, right? So for that data migration, Oracle given two data loading tools called HCM Data Loader and Spreadsheet Data Loader. We have that team. Then we have outbound integrations. From any module, client want to extract any report. Today client asking, Kumar, I want to extract a report from the system. In the last 3 months, how many people hired in Hyderabad location? Can you give me a report? Or Kumar, in this month, how many employees applied sick leave? Can you please give me a report? It could be anything. So Oracle given three reporting tools in the system: BI reports, OTBA reports, HCM extracts. So they are outbound integration we call. Then we have fast formula concept team. In absence module, payroll module, compensation benefits module, for several calculations, several validations to maintain fast formulas we have in the system team. So this is entire Oracle HCM Cloud modules in the market we have. Now, in this BI reports area, now some people have a question. Kumar, my cousin told me you learn SQL also before learning the program. I told you there is no prerequisite team. In the entire system, nowhere any coding, any language required. Except in this BIP report team, you require SQL understanding. That too not a very core expert level. Select statements in the SQL you need to learn. But Kumar, that is the twist you are giving here. No, SQL, if you don't know, leave it. You no need to enroll today. Don't break your heads now. If you are already aware of, fair enough. If you don't know, leave it. Because team, no one in the market will have knowledge on all the aspects. Even companies also won't expect that. No one will have that one. So simply BA reports you can exclude from your resume. So with that, completely the application will become zero code completely. So this part, no need to worry. Please ignore that team. As I have to intimate to you, I'm telling you, that's all. Now you tell me, Kumar, as part of your training, what all will cover. Now please focus. I'm going to talk about the course curriculum and the program features, placement support, course pricing and all detailedly. See, when it comes to roles in the market recruiting in this domain team, even today, there is clear-cut recruitment happening on functional consultants, on technical consultants team. I agree. Functional consultants and technical consultants. Even today, recruitment is clear. Means if you learn only functional modules, that too any 2-3 modules from functional, you can drop as a functional consultant. If you learn only technical modules, you can drop as a technical consultant. Yes, companies still recruiting the candidates separately, functional separately, technical separately. But team, the most demanded role in the market today in 2026 is techno-functional consultants. Simple logic I will tell you. Rather than taking two people one functional consultant, one technical consultant in the project. If I take a person who knows both, that would be a advantage to me, right? Right? This is the most demanded role in the market today. Even initial days when I used to conduct trainings, I used to conduct training separately for functional, separately for technical. Even today we have separate course for technical plus OIC combination. But I clubbed together both and we've been offering now because market is more keen towards your techno-functional. Okay, okay, okay. Techno-functional consultants team. For example, if you take a project, generally out of 10 resources in the project, let's assume, example, you take any project, if 10 resources you have, okay, functional consultants will be 7 to 8 people. 7 to 8 people will be functional. Just 2 to 3 people will be technical team. The ideal weightage I am talking about, because some people will ask me that also. Kumar, rather than learning all the functional, only these two technical components, if I learn, I can get a job, no? So that I won't be burdened enough. Only few components I can learn. Please don't do that. Because in Fusion, EBS it works, but in Fusion, technical scope is limited. If a project have 10 resources, 7 to 8 will be functional out of them, 2 to 3 will be technical team. Companies are more operating in an economical way today. Everywhere, IT industry, if you see, they are not ready to spend much on the resources, okay, with respect to their buildings and all. So, companies looking for a candidate who can handle both rather than paying two salaries for two employees. One employee with both skill set will be an added advantage to them. You check out, you drop a resume with only functional consultant experience. You ask your friend to drop the resume in the Naukri with a techno-functional consultant experience. First, your friend will get a call. Then, if opening is there, it will come to you, right? So you should also target techno-functional training only. Once after anyone trained under Kumar, he will be a techno-functional consultant. No functional, no technical. Techno-functional, the candidate will be coming out of. So our training also HCM Techno-Functional Training Team. What modules we will cover? Kumar, you will cover all things in that, not required. And even we can't do that in the period of 3 months. We will cover these modules team. Whatever I am bolding here, you can be taking up. Okay. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. Okay. And then technical side, security, workflows, customization, personalization, inbound integrations, outbound integrations, past formulas. These all will be covered. Along with that, these 5 modules will be covered. For few concepts, we will give external videos team. Everything might not be covered live because of that 3 months of time period. But yes, these all modules will be covered. And as I told you, Visual Builder Studio for Redwood customization also will be covered in this training. Okay. So these are our course curriculum in the system. Now, before getting into the program details, before I am concluding the class for today, I told you as it's a demo, I have to cover few extra points I'm covering, but tomorrow strictly 8 to 9. Okay. So here I'll talk about the salary packages thing and also why anyone should choose Oracle. The question is simple. Why not SAP? Why not Workday? If you could see this slide, as per the Gartner Quadrant Research Report paper, you can Google it anywhere. It will come to you. Gartner Quadrant Research. Gartner is a company based out in US. It's a consulting firm in the stream of research where it will suggest to the customers which product to buy in the IT applications. As per that Gartner company Quadrant Research report, Oracle stood consecutively top ERP in the last 3 years. If you see the leader segment, Oracle Fusion ERP, under that Microsoft Dynamics, under that SAP, under that whatever Workday or other tools we have in the market team. So this is one valid proof that we can understand how the market for Oracle Fusion today we have, right? And if you see the salary packages, the average salary is going up in this brackets team. A college passed out fresher with a trained experience, not normal fresher, trained resource. Companies offering a range of 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum team. If you are an experienced profile with 4 to 5 years of relevant experience in this Oracle HCM Cloud, 15 to 25 LPA companies are offering team. Experienced with 5 to 10 years, 25 to 50 lakhs per annum companies are offering. Nothing exaggerated here. These are the valid proofs. If you want, you can go to Naukri, filter with this experience level, try out the postings. You can see over there what salaries companies are offering today. No need to, I no need to tell you. You can also check from your end. It's an open statement thing because we've been seeing that our students also getting placed with these level of packages. Okay. And what will be the career graph for next 10-15 years? See, the best thing with Fusion applications team and one more myth in the IT industry we have. Every 6 months or every 3 months, we have to learn something new or else we will be outdating. In Fusion applications or any ERP applications in the market, they will have very long shelf life. If you are learning the program today, in next 3-4 months, you are getting a job in 2026. Next 10-15 years, at least, not maximum, at least you can be within this technology only. Every time you don't need to knock the door of training institute and you need to learn something new. No, ERPs will have very long shelf life. Incremental changes only you will experience that you will learn on job. Okay. And the career progress, if you see as a fresher, you can start with a designation as associate, then consultant, senior consultant, principal consultant, project managers, delivery leads, delivery managers, IT directors, and so on. This graph is for everyone, but whoever performs well in the life, whoever more knowledgeable, whoever proving themselves, you can reach out to till this level in the market team. Because in maximum companies today, you see chief technology officers in the top or chief executive officers, they comes from the ERP backgrounds only, not exclusively from HCM, but from ERP backgrounds only they will be coming up. So these are something more professional applications that you are going to learn, right? So your career graph for next 10-15 years will be like this team. So if you could prove yourself in the company, then you can get into good designations in the organizations with good packages as well. This is career opportunities in this domain team. And Kumar, any recession impact we have? Any recession impact we have? Or some people will ask me, Kumar, recently Oracle laid off 15,000 employees, we heard. Or Tata, TCS laid off 10,000 employees in India. Cognizant laid off 15,000 employees. Layoffs are common in IT. Layoffs are very common. But in which segment, in which area they are laying off, you have to understand. When you get a news, something Oracle laid off 15,000, what to do with you? Oracle laid off 15,000 employees. What is the issue with that for us? Did Oracle laid off the candidates who working in Oracle ERP applications? Oracle is a giant company. They have thousands of applications. Whoever having in their development backgrounds, wherever AI will be useful in writing a code and developing the new age applications, there they have been laid off team. And moreover, once you learn this program, you will not work for Oracle, no. You will work for all IT companies in the market. This is Oracle's related product. If Oracle laying off internal employees, what is the impact to us? There is nothing. If you're working for Oracle, if you learn the program, every one of you will join Oracle company. Then you worry about that. You are not going to work in Oracle, right? In every IT company in the market today, Deloitte, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, in all IT companies, from startup to mid-level to MNCs, in all companies, Oracle HCM Cloud projects are there. So, phenomenal openings are there, and many companies doing projects in this domain. So, please don't get confused there. Okay. And then the most important question stuck in everyone's mind, because these days, starting from a businessman to a YouTube influencer and from a politician, everyone talking about AI. AI replacing humans, AI replacing jobs. True. But in not every technology AI will be handling. The best part that we blessed with is these ERP applications are something the solutioning has to be decided by a human. Okay, it cannot be automated with AI. AI we are already using within the Fusion system. We have AI agents to automate the process, to easy to handle the application in a better way. We have AI. But replacing consultants in Oracle HCM Cloud with AI, that will never happen, because client to client, the requirements will vary, will be deferred. So I can't give a command and do yourself. No, configuration it cannot do, because a lot of components will be there. Lot of customizations need to be done from client to client. It's purely human activity. So we are already using the component in AI for betterment of the usage of application team. So no need to worry about any AI impact in this domain. Okay. And then team, coming to the program details. Today is demo. From tomorrow, our regular classes will be starting. It's going to be 3 months duration program. Monday to Friday, 8 to 9. Again, I'm telling, please excuse me for today. I have to cover few more components elaboratively. We have taken up 2 hours today. But tomorrow onwards, strictly 8 to 9, because I have the session followed by immediately for other batch. So 8 to 9 will be our slot every day. And along with the training, you will be getting lifetime access to the recordings. How we can access, Kumar? People, whoever completed the registration, don't worry. Today you will get the access. And people who had to confirm, please do complete your registration team. You will be getting an email from our TrioTech. In that, steps to follow for accessing our learning portal will be there. So if you go to triotechsoftwaretrainings.com, this is our website. Here you will have live classes login, yellow color button. Click on it, and then it will ask you for user access credentials thing. Give your user ID and password. Some of the user ID I'm giving here. Click on login. It will take you to the dashboard here team. Here if you come, go to enrolled courses. Here you can see your course coming up team. You can go to the course, and every day your sessions will be uploaded here topic wise. You can click on that and you can able to view that session team. Every session you can able to view from the portal. This will be for lifetime. Once we share the access to you today, you can reset your password team. But one important announcement to every one of you, I'm telling you. Whenever you've been registering, you have to confirm to the admin what are the devices you are going to use, because we generally have one device, one login policy. If you are registering today, we are giving you the access team that is for one device. If you try login with another device, your account will be locked automatically. So please do verify that, because we've been experiencing a lot of what I would say cross sellings in the market team. Like some people selling our tutorials, our courses with in the black market in different places because they got it a free way they got. So they are selling up in a different ways. So to avoid that, we enable the tracking system with IP based team. So one login per head will be given to you. If any adjustment, you've been traveling somewhere, you have to switch for another device or something, please intimate to the admin. They will enable one more device access to you. So this portal will be given to you for lifetime. And then Fusion application access for practicing. The real-time Fusion server will be given to you for 6 months as part of this training program team. And then real-time project assignments will be given. So this drive folder also we will be giving to you. All module materials are given here. See module wise, absences, comp, core HR, then HCM assignments, fast formula, payroll. So if you go to that folder team, all that module material. So you will have our very customized user manuals team. Without attending the class also, by looking at the material, you can learn the subject with screenshots and navigations in a easy way of understanding English. See how to implement core HR module, 130-page document team. If you go through that, core HR module you can implement without watching the videos also. That detailed user manuals with screenshots and navigations we prepared for every module. And also for every module, real-time project assignments you will be given with team. We will give you the requirement and we will ask you to configure that assignment in the system and submit back to us. Our team will evaluate that team. And along with that, from placement point of view, we will be conducting sessions. We have a dedicated placement team in Hyderabad where our team will help you out with the resume preparation. Prior to that, I will conduct sessions on how to prepare the resume. Fresher means how to prepare. Experienced how to prepare. Any gap that you are filling, how you have to handle. There will be workshop sessions on that as well. And also, we will be conducting the sessions on how to create a Naukri account, how to create a LinkedIn account, how to market your profile in that websites. These all will be guided from our placement team. So we will also provide you sample resumes team. So you can find different sample resumes for your reference purpose. Once you prepare that and submit back to our placement team, they will able to help you out for any corrections or updations in the resume. And the most important thing, for every module, interview question and answers. These are not something we prepared just like that. We put so much of efforts in preparing this materials team. Every student of mine, after the program, whenever they're attending the training interviews, I'll be taking up a final session for every batch. There I will guide them. What are the strategies you have to follow for attending the interview? During that time, I used to tell for every student, when you attending the interview, try to record that interview, because whatever the questions that you might not be able to answer, we can able to discuss that and we can give you the inputs. Even today, the same habit all my students will be doing. Many people who are available in Hyderabad, they will come to office, sit in Hyderabad office, and they will practice. From there only they will attend the interviews. These all interview questions we prepared from that real-time interviews. These are not something basic definitions and all. All real-time scenario-based questions asked in the interview. With answers we prepared. Almost 700 question and answers for every module we have team. So this is for entire core HR module question and answers document. This is for absence module question and answers document. This is for payroll module. This is for technical modules team. Then this is for talent modules. And also company wise also I asked the team to segregate. If you're attending a KPMG interview, what sort of questions you might expect in the interview? If you're attending TCS, what sort of questions you might expect in the interview? With all due support of this, you will be industry ready after 3 months. Okay. Along with the live training, we extensively be there with you for your placement activities also, starting from resume preparation, interview question and answers for each module, and conducting the mock interviews every Saturday in Hyderabad office. We will be conducting the mock interviews to you. So generally people who are ready, we will ask them to book the slot a week before. If you want to attend this Saturday, at least by Monday or Tuesday of that week, you have to confirm so that the panel will be checked and availability will be confirmed. So every Saturday, we will also conduct the mock interviews. My colleagues, my friends, my subordinates who working in different projects in the real time outside, they will be taking up the mocks to you. So you will be well prepared before the interviews that you are going to attend team, right? And then we do help out with the referrals as well. If you could see team, today after the enrollment, you will be added with new WhatsApp community. So every time once the program completes to you, the job postings we will be sharing in the frequent intervals in your community. Even you can follow our Instagram channel or YouTube channel so that there also we will do postings every day. Okay. Because as I told you, team, we've been in the market from last 11 years. Many students of our TrioTech alumni working in senior roles in the companies. So they will be coming and they will be recruiting the candidates from our side. And also many HRs we've been associated with. They will be reaching out every month. Kumar, we want 3 years experience candidate on these modules. Or Kumar, we want a trained fresher on these modules. Or Kumar, I want 10 years experienced person on payroll module, like that. So from our side, we will be sharing the profiles to the company. And parallelly, how you should market your profile through Naukri LinkedIn, how to get your connections with the HRs in LinkedIn, what activities you have to follow, that all we will be guiding you team. So daily Q&A support also will be there. Generally, after that class, you can discuss with me. If not, WhatsApp support or call support will be there between 10 to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. The timings will be team. So this is about course features. Okay. And then coming to the uh, course fee. The course fee will be 28,000 plus GST team. But people enrolling today, for every batch on day one, we will be giving you an offer price team. So for today, only for today, we have an early bird offer that is 25,999. And you people also getting some additional benefits if you could go through. Generally here, you will get 6 months of server access to you for practicing. But in this early bird offer registration, you will be getting 3 months additional server worth 12,000 rupees. You go any institute, ask for Oracle instance for practice. For 1 month, they will charge you 5,000 to 6,000. Even it's a demo instance. But we provide both stable and demo servers to you for practicing team. So total 9 months server access you will be getting in this enrollment registration today. Not continues next time. Only for today strictly the offer will be closed. And then Oracle certification dumps. Today I didn't got the time to cover this certification component. In tomorrow's session, I will cover you certification, what is the cost, how you have to do and all. Okay. So if anyone planning for that, we will be having the ready-made question and answers for the exam you are writing. So that Oracle certification dumps worth 5,000 you will be getting it free of cost. And also, I told you there is one component here called HDL, HCM data loader and fast formulas team. You will be getting real-time project templates for HDL and fast formula templates team. Ready-made, almost like more than 200 real-time requirements that what we prepared the fast formulas, you will be provided with that document team. Okay. So this document will be given for the people who enrolling in the early registrations. Ready-made formulas team. You can straight away use them in your projects. We consolidated different requirements from different clients and we developed their formulas and we pasted in that PDF. It 85-page document, ready-made fast formula guide, which you can directly use even in your projects from day one. That will also be given to you. So along with the discount price, you will be getting these additional benefits worth 17,000 T. If you could see this, some of our placement testimonials, you can please follow our Instagram and YouTube channel team. Every time we will be posting. So yesterday also we have one placement that came up for a candidate called Praveen. Then we have Nikita. Then we have Ganesh. Then we have 50 students from last 2 months in the months of March, April. May report yet to be generated. So 50 plus students being placed in different companies team. It's a very proud moment for TrioTech history as well. So we will be posting the student success stories in different companies, their charts, that all you can able to refer here team. And also you can able to find from my PPT also some of the placement testimonials of the students. So here you can find directly, you can Google it. You can find that also team if you Google it, TrioTech software trainings. So here our address, everything you can find, the reviews you can find here. And if you go to the pictures, you can even find what office premises team. You can come to office if you're from Hyderabad, sit in the office and practice your activities every day. Okay. So just for a reference, I'm going through these slides team and some of the placement testimonials of the students you can check out from here. Okay. And as I told you, the last 2 months placement report, this is. We've been shared drive link also for many students to go through that placement testimonials of the candidates. Okay. So these are the different students testimonials from TrioTech. And these are the people with these packages who got placed and working in their companies. And their live feedbacks from the YouTube you can find. These all are the people, many of them are freshers in this are there, who given their video feedbacks as well. Because many time experienced people will be there. They don't want to show their face, but many people even still they are ready to give their feedback after the training. You can also find them in our YouTube or Instagram channel team. So this is just for your reference purpose I am going through. So this will be the early bird offer for today. Our admin team sharing you the registration link in the chat board. So I request everyone, please complete your registration today. From tomorrow, only enrolled participants will be given with a Zoom meeting link. From tomorrow, our classes will be starting team. Morning 8 to 9 a.m. IST. Today, you will be getting two things after the enrollment, after you doing the payment through the link what we share it to you. Please share your payment screenshot to our admin department so that they will create the learning portal access to you and you will be getting the email to you. And also you will be added into new WhatsApp community for the June batch. Okay, so these two things will be done today, team. So from tomorrow, as I told you, we will be starting our regular classes. So please complete your registration with this early bird offer with additional benefits and please share the details to our admin department team. Okay, so you can even get your registration confirmed through this QR code also. You can able to go through. Okay. Now let me go for the questions for today. So that's all from my side. Any questions you can please ask me. I unmuted team.
Uh, Hello.
Hello.
This is Sahitya.
Hi Sahitya, yes please.
So actually, I stay in the US.
Okay.
I I don't have any experience related to the Oracle HCM, but
Mm-hmm.
I guess you know about all this. Like I joined a
Mm-hmm.
consultancy,
I
and
know that. Yeah, yeah.
they made me having like 10 years of experience in Oracle.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So do you think like giving like 10 years of fake
See,
experience. Does
with
that
this
work?
domain, with this training, I can tell you 5, 6 years of experience. If you could portray in the resume, you can handle. But doesn't matter. 6 to 10 years of experience, the same level of knowledge you will be having with respect to this training. Definitely, we can manage with that level of experience.
Okay. And is there any difference uh,
Hmm.
if I apply for Oracle CPQ roles,
CPQ
will
is a
this?
completely sales related thing. See, comparatively, as I mentioned, between finance, supply chain, CRM, that is CPQ and all, HCM is having more demand in the market and more packages and high recruitment happening. Even if you take US market also, all PeopleSoft customers move to Oracle Fusion nowadays. So for HCM, huge demand or potential is there.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah,
Thank
next
you.
question, team.
Hello.
Good
Hello.
evening.
Uh,
Can you
Hello,
please?
Kupu.
Yeah, Karthika, please, you can continue, or Kritik.
yeah, this
Kritik.
is Priya's friend. So I just have a doubt. She
Mm-hmm.
completed her master's in
Yeah,
Mathematics
Kumar.
in
Ravi.
December
One second.
2024. So she
Okay.
has like a 2 years gap. Like how this gap will be managed, and
See,
someone
that
from
you
already
discuss
back.
offline. See, anything related to your
Okay.
gap filling or experience, this class is recording, which we will place it in the YouTube. This is not the right platform. And one to one, you can discuss with that team. They will guide you for that. Anything related to the subject or anything, you please let me know. Career point of view, we can discuss one on one after that class. Okay.
Okay. And one more question, Kumar. Like I can
Mm.
see most of the openings, right? They are hiring for
Mm.
mainly 3 plus 5 plus years experience. In that case, how come a fresher will be
It's
able to
not like
attend
that.
that job?
Whatever the
Okay.
success stories I have shown you, many freshers are there
Okay.
in. The only thing is in the posting of Naukri, everyone will post like that. I want 3 years, 5 years, 6 years like that. But down the
Okay.
line, when you apply for them, call will get scheduled. Companies will take you. But
Okay.
as I told you, your resume should talk about your skill set. If you are just a fresher, if you are dropping, they won't be interested in your profile. But you are a
Hmm.
trained fresher. You have ample knowledge in the subject. You could able to present well in the Naukri profile and in the resume. Definitely call with schedule. That's not an issue.
Okay,
Next
Kumar.
question,
Yes,
please.
Regarding
sir.
this
Good morning.
placement part, right? I mean the gap part. Which team? I mean which number we need to contact? Like is
You
the
can reach out. You can reach out to the number displayed on the screen here. Okay.
Hello,
Good
Kumar.
morning, Kupu.
okay?
This
Okay.
is
Good morning,
Sriharsha
sir.
here.
Hi, Sriharsha.
Hello.
Yeah, just I
I'll count to
wanted to
one by
know.
one. No worries. Yeah.
Yeah, just I have one doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so my career is now 16 plus years of experience in finance. That is, finance in the sense it's investment banking domain.
Mm.
So, is it advisable for me to
Sir,
venture
that's what
into?
you discuss it offline, sir. One to one, we have different backgrounds, right? So there are some tricks that we have to follow you to eligible for learning this program. So what you have to
Sure,
follow, discuss with the placement department. They will rightly guide you. I will also be available over the calls, no problem. After the
sure,
session, you
sure,
reach out to the number, no issue. Okay.
Hello, Kumar.
sure,
Because
sure.
Yoga.
because let me tell you for everyone, I don't have anything to say this. But
Right,
as such, it's recording, it doesn't look official in the company channel to upload. That is my problem.
right, right.
Simple.
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
no, no issues, no issues, Kumar. Got
No
it.
issue.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, hi, Kumar. This is Shomashri.
Hi, Sumashri.
Kumar, I just have a generic question, which
No
is
problem.
I enrolled myself last week when I shared the receipt with the team. So, do I need to
Mhm.
share it again today?
Not required, Sumashri. If
Okay,
you are doing right away, you have not shared with the team, then you share. If already done, no problem. Today you will get the access.
okay. Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you.
No
hello,
problem.
Kumar. This
Hi,
is
sir. Good
Yoga.
morning.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. Who
Hello.
is
Hi,
it?
this is Yoga. Actually, I'm interested towards
Yoga.
the functional modules. So, what are all the minimum functional modules I need
Core
to
HR,
learn to secure
absence,
a job?
payroll. At least three modules. Core HR, absence, payroll.
So, my question is, you are going to explain including the technical modules also in this
Yes,
course, right?
yes.
So, can I skip
Because
those
nothing
classes?
like that. Nothing like that. It's a complete course. See, that's what I'm telling you. Don't think that with three modules you can get a good job or a package. What you will tell, after 3 months, you will come to me and you will tell Kumal, calls are not getting. I portrayed 3 years experience and I dropped even calls I'm not getting Kumar. Why? Your skill set is less in the resume. Never keep only functional, only technical. I told you in the today's session, target techno-functional. Don't listen to anyone. Your friend misguiding you or your brother misguiding you. Please don't follow them.
Okay.
Because they might be looking at their job, their friends, their world is very small. But with my experience, as I've been interacting with many students in my life, today market is techno-functional. So please trust that and go with that.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi,
Naveen.
This
please.
is Veeran.
One at
Hello.
a time. I'll come to everyone. Vedant, someone. Yeah, please.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Hi,
Hello.
please tell me. Yeah, hi, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Recently, I learned Workday HCM for 3 months back, 5 months back. So I
Okay.
applied in Naukri and LinkedIn. So I'm getting the calls, but it is the I got the calls more in the experience level only. The 3+ years only.
Certification they
So
will
can I
ask.
get the
That is
call?
what.
Hello.
Certification also they will ask in Workday.
Yes, sir. They are asking the certification and the experience also, sir. 3+
That is
years
what
only.
that is what the problem is, because compared to Oracle Workday, huge difference is there in terms of customer adaptability. If Oracle have 15,000 customers in the world, Workday hardly will have 1,000-1,500 customers, because it's a new application came in the market. So they want only experienced people, that too with a certification. But in Oracle, we don't have that criteria. You don't need to do
Okay.
certification. Tomorrow, actually, I'm going to cover that. Certification is not required in Oracle. And moreover, they doesn't look at 5 years, 10 years people. Anyone who have the knowledge, they will recruit, because that kind of projects are there in the market. In terms of two technologies, lot of difference is there in the recruitment patterns happening in the market. Workday is a very niche tool, and they are not penetrating all the world. Only in US market only they segregated. If you get the calls also, all the projects will be coming from US market only, but not the entire world. But Oracle having across the globe, Middle East you take, India you take, everywhere clients using. In India, in Hyderabad, many of you know Arabindo Pharma, Hitro Pharma, these companies using, and very well-known banks like HDFC, ICICI, RBL. I was part of RBL bank implementation in my experience. Means Oracle is that grassrooted application in the market. Okay, next question, team.
So
Hi, Kumar.
basically, we
Hi.
have a live class login, right, Kumar?
Live classes login, correct?
Yeah. So with our personal email ID and password, we need to log in, or
No, no,
how
no.
we
We
will
will create the account. After your payment, you will be given with the user ID and account. Our team will create the account, and you have to log in with that credentials and you can access.
So it's individual, it's different,
Yeah,
right?
person to person, individual. Yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Next,
Hi Kumar, this is Sinmaja.
Sumaja. Yes. Someone, please. Anyone? Hello.
Hi, Kumar. This is Ravi Shankar.
One second, team. 1 second. Can any one of you now please unmute and ask me, because some background disturbance is there? Yeah, please. Anyone? Hello? Please unmute. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Hello.
Hi,
Hi,
Kumar.
Kumar.
Okay, hi.
Yeah, this is Mahesh.
It's Mahesh.
Today, do we get recordings of like previous classes?
Yeah, if required, we can able to share you. You can discuss with admin. They will help you out. No problem.
Okay, just another doubt. Like, so if we
Hmm.
have 10 years of experience, how much
Hmm.
we can expect? Salary package.
15 to 20 is the average CTC. Generally, for 6 to 10 years of range, 15 to 25 like that companies are offering. But what current CTC you are portraying is matter. On top of that, you can expect.
Okay, okay. Currently, I'm I'm getting like 22 LPA. Like, is it like the
That
high?
case, obviously, it will go ahead 30 plus. That's what
Uh-huh.
I asked you. Current
Uh,
CTC is what? Yeah. Mahesh, I think already we discussed about it, I believe, right?
Hi, Kumar. This is Ravi
Yeah.
Shankar.
Hi, Ravi Shankar.
Hi. I have real experience more than 20 years. And
No, very
currently, I'm
good.
working for UBS, Swiss Bank. Okay.
Okay.
So now I wanted to switch to the other domain, other technology like
What is the
IT.
designation currently? Can I know?
Currently, I am a project manager.
Great. Okay. See, you
Okay,
can
and
transition.
also I have vast experience in mainframe development and maintenance projects. Even
Understood.
I had written a lot of COBOL programs.
No
Okay,
problem.
so technically I am sound,
Mm-hmm.
but I wanted to switch and maximum how much experience I can climb since it is a new
See,
tool.
my suggestion is after the training, out of 20 years, you portray at least 5-6 years into Oracle HCM. Prior to
Okay.
that, whatever the mainframes experience you have, that you can portray. But
Mm.
last 5-6 years, you mentioned in the resume, you are working in Oracle HCM Cloud. Close
Yes,
to
sir.
6-7 projects you've been part of working in that domain.
Okay.
In
Okay.
that way, your profile will be easily considered and you can
So
able to
so
move.
currently I am drawing 42 LPA. Is it possible?
Definitely, because project manager level with your experience will get 60-70 LPS also with 20
Yeah.
years of vast experience.
Yes.
But you will be not any more project manager over there. Something you will
Okay.
be hired as a delivery managers or delivery lead, something like that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Hi
Thank
Kumar,
you.
this
Thank you
is
so much.
Khalid.
We'll meet
Kumar,
tomorrow.
this
We'll
is
meet tomorrow.
Niti.
Tripathi, yeah, someone else.
Pragati,
Yeah,
yes, Pragati.
Pragati, sorry,
Yeah.
yeah.
Kumar, actually, I have experience in technical background, and I have 1.6 year experience.
Technical
But
means what, Pragati?
technical, like HCM technical only. I
Okay,
worked on. I
okay,
have 1.6 year experience, but total I have 4 year of experience. But
okay,
I learn in technical, I learn OIC and extract
great, okay,
BIP reports.
okay,
So, while I'm giving the interview, they are asking very high
functional.
level questions. So,
Mm.
how can I prepare for that?
The problem is that only, see, when you are working in a only technical role, you will not get the
Yes,
opportunity to explore on the business side.
yes,
Clientele interface will be very less. I mean, client interaction will be less. How the
yes,
projecting activity is happening, you won't understand. Some
yes,
functional guy will give you the work, they will assign you the ticket, you will work on the error. So
yes, yes.
definitely, if you have to move to another company, means you require end-to-end functional knowledge of the application as well. So
Okay.
this training program will be helpful for you people also. You might be having a knowledge on the technical front, but in this training, the entire functional aspects and how the projecting will work in the real time, that all will be covered. So definitely you can able to go ahead with this.
Okay, can I give 4.5 year of experience?
Yes, 4.5 you have to showcase after this training and you have to apply.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi
Hi Kumar
Kumar,
sir, this is
do we
Khalid.
need
Ranjita from
three
Bangalore.
end-to-end implementations to gain confidence hands-on from your end?
Sindhuja, what is it? 3 implementation projects
Do
you
we
want
need
to do, huh?
3 or 4 end-to-end implementations practice to gain hands-on experience
Practice, there is
from your
nothing like.
institute or your end?
No, I'll tell you, I got your question. See, here how the things will work is along with the training, for every module, I'm going to give you the assignment. That assignment
Mm.
will be from the real-time projects that what we worked on in our experiences. So
Mm.
you can try it that requirements in any ways. So it's not something like 2 projects or 3 projects count. How you are
Mm.
configuring in the system in a different ways is a matter. So once after the completion of this program, one full life cycle of project implementation, if you are in the real time, how you will do that exposure you will be getting. That I can promise you. After this
One
training,
is enough.
if you portray, see that is not, that's what you are sticking 3-4. If I tell you come 5 projects, I will give you. What is that? I can just give ChatGPT and I give you that. That doesn't work out
Mm.
to you the requirements.
Mm.
Ultimately, how you could able to configure in the system is matter here. But after this training, one thing I can tell you is 5-6 years of experience. If you people portray in this domain, you will be in a situation to answer the interviews in the answer the interview, and also you will be in the situation to work in the real time projects if you are directly mapped with the project once you join the company. That level of knowledge you will be getting in the training. Okay.
Mm.
Right, team. I'll conclude here for today. Already few people texting me, shouting on me, Kumar, we have office, we have to leave. I understood. I'm really sorry for that because I don't have option left out. Today is a demo. I have to cover maximum things out of it. I covered team. Anything, please drop the message to the support. We will have a discussion over there. So I'll be concluding here for today. So let's join back tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock sharp. Every day, please make this habit, team. 8 to 9, 1 hour. Morning, 8 o'clock, I want everyone to be in the call. I'll be starting the class without any further delay. Okay. And I request to you, as our team already shared WhatsApp message also regarding the registration, please complete the registration today. From tomorrow, only enrolled participants will be given with a new meeting link. Today evening, you will get the meeting link in the WhatsApp. So please do complete the registration. This offer also will be only for today strictly. From tomorrow, we are not going to continue this. Okay. So thank you everyone, team. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue. Thank you everyone.